Hi everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix too many friends on Snapchat, but make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Snapchat app. So go into your Snapchat app, and now when you're on your Snapchat app, then what we are going to do first is to click on our profile in the top left corner. So click on your profile in the top left corner, and then you should be able to be taken right here, as you can see. So what we need to do now is to scroll down and then click where it says My Friends. So click on My Friends, and in here you should be able to view all of your friends on Snapchat. So what you need to do now is to take one of these persons in here. You need to click on them and just hold. So just click and hold, and as you can see, you are able to view this page right now. What we are going to do now is to click where it says Manage Friendship. So click on Manage Friendship, and in here we need to click where it says Remove Friend, and then click on Remove basically. And that is because we actually need to remove one of our friends to be able to add another one if we get this error that we are not able to add more Snapchat friends because we already have too many. So basically this is exactly how to fix this issue. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.